I'm going to speak today about a mask that will help you with your acne scars. This mask is ideal for people that have oily skin and excess sebum because it's gonna really clear the pores, it's gonna clear the excess sebum. This mask is ideal for those type of skins. It's actually really good of getting rid of those post-acne scars. I've been using this myself as well because my skin is quite sensitive, so I do get those type of scars after having acne. I don't have a lot of spots lately, but a few can still leave some nasty kind of looking reddish tints and like marks on my skin. Even help with fine lines, this mask, because it just illuminates the skin and lightens the skin, and it just stimulates the blood flow and basically repairs the epiderma there. If you're gonna squeeze your spots, then don't insist too much until you leave a really bad wound there. Sometimes it happens for the spot to go away and you're left behind with a red kind of tint on your skin, and this mask will help to get rid of that. I advise using this mask after the spot has went away completely. It's not like an open wound after you squeeze it or something like that, because it's gonna sting, and I wouldn't advise applying any masks on an open wound. So make sure it's healed before you even think of applying this mask to get rid of the acne scar. I've been actually using this mask a few times myself because I even if I don't squeeze my acne, unless it's really necessary to be squeezed because it looks really ugly, with the white head and stuff, like, oh. So I normally don't really squeeze my spots. I immediately treat them with something I have in the house. It's a product that I rely on every single night. It's very cheap. It's from Boots if you're from the UK. I'm gonna have a look on Amazon and see if I can find it there too and link it down below. But this product is very efficient. Basically, I apply this product at the end of the day if I see a spot emerging, and I remove my makeup, cleanse my skin, and then I apply this product. This is the product that I'm talking about. It's just a Boots product and it says Skin Clear there, and it's a clear gel, and this helps tremendously drying the spot. This is one of those products that I always have in the house. It's a clear gel as well. It has like a nozzle tip. This product, if I'm going to have a product that helps me and not a mask, this would be the product that I say it's amazing. I also have in the house another thing that I normally don't apply as often as this, and I have a drying lotion. It says here it's Mario Badescu drying lotion, and this looks like cute because it's pink. You see, it's like an opaque layer of pink at the end, at the bottom here, and you'll also have some liquid in there. I don't really use this as much, even though it's fantastic as well. I don't know, I just prefer to just go with this in the nozzle. You know what put me off this one a bit? I had it once applied on a spot that was on my forehead in the daytime when I didn't have makeup on. I was in the house, I didn't have makeup on, because you shouldn't apply it on makeup, any products like this, and I had clean skin. I applied this and I applied it on my forehead, and then when it dried like a powder, and little particles of that powder fell on my face, like into my eyes. Somehow it got into my eyes, and oh my god, it stank so much. I was worried that I'm going blind or something. This stank so much. It took a while to get rid of it from my eye. I've used a lot of cold water rinsing my eye like that. I was desperate. I was thinking, what the hell is this? Oh my god. And yeah, it's I don't know, it really put me off it. So I don't really apply this on spots that are above my eyes, because once it dries, the particles are gonna fall into my eyes. Maybe it's stupid, I don't know. It put me off this product a bit, and I usually apply it below my eyes, somewhere where the spots might be below my eyes. You get the picture, you get the idea. And to sleep with this on, I don't know, you could, but then in the sleep, what if I just and then touch my eye? Or yeah, I'm scared of this product a bit. It's very good for spots. I'm not saying it's not. It is. It is drying lotion, it says. So it does dry the spot. So in terms of products that I use for my spots, acne, which I don't get too many lately because I take care of my skin as good as I can. So I suppose it's also I'm not a teenager anymore, but then that's not a thing, because acne can appear at any age, and I was like amazed to find that out at some point. I'm gonna speak about that in another video in which I can tell you my acne story, because I had really bad acne a few years ago. But that's not about that. I'm going to show you the recipe for this mask that really helps with clearing your skin and the sebum in your pores as well. It just really helps with that. Maybe it's worth making this mask once a week. Just play around with it, and definitely the ingredients in there, they're gonna help your skin, and they're gonna help remove those kind of marks left by spots. So now let me show you how you do this. We take a bowl in which I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of honey. I'm using raw manuka honey here. It's been proven to be better than any other types of honey, so if you have raw natural organic honey, it's best. And add half a teaspoon of cinnamon and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. We're gonna take a lemon, and half the lemon, we're gonna put half of that lemon's juice in this mask and mix everything really well until it ends up looking something like this. It's quite liquidy looking. First, I'm gonna open my pores a bit with the just a face towel that I've put warm water on to make it all warm and nice. My skin is cleansed, I have no makeup on. This feels so nice. You should try this to see how it feels. I'm gonna wipe my face dry with a towel after I open my pores now and apply the mask. I'm just gonna apply it with my fingers. It's quite liquidy, so I'm just gonna apply a thin layer of that. And it's a bit exfoliating because of the nutmeg. Please test this beforehand. I know I'm fine with this as long as I don't rub it in for too long or too much, because my skin is quite sensitive and prone to redness. So please test this on a small area of your face, like there, like that, you know, just to see how your skin would react, and leave it on for 15 minutes. Just test it first, especially if you have sensitive skin. Cinnamon could cause allergic reactions to some people, so make sure you test it first. I mainly have acne scars here, like that, usually, where I have my spots. So that's where I'm gonna focus, but I can't help myself, so I'm gonna just apply this on my forehead as well, because it has the lemon and it's brightening. It has like a brightening effect. This can help fine lines and wrinkles as well because of the lemon and because of the cinnamon and nutmeg that increase blood flow. So I'm just gonna put this on my forehead as well. But you can just stop exactly where the acne scars are. I have some acne scarring here and there. I'm just trying to get rid of some recent post-acne scars that were left recently. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized. I still have leftover here, but never mind. You don't have to apply all of it. You can maybe create less of that amount. You can put half of everything that we've added in here and then just have less of this mixture. I'm gonna now leave it on for 15 minutes and see the results after. Okay, so the time is up and it's time to remove this. I'm going to remove this with lukewarm water and just using my hands. My skin feels so smooth.
Oh, it just feels so smooth.
I would recommend doing this mask maybe 3 times a week, just as often as possible in the week, because that's when you're gonna see results. Now I'm gonna go and put my moisturizer on because my skin feels a bit dry. So definitely moisturize after this, and if it's daylight, use your SPF. Even if it's cloudy, use SPF every day. So I hope you found it helpful, and I hope you will give you great results. You should apply this mask maybe once or twice a week and just be constant with it for a while. I'm sure you're going to see results if you stick to it. Just do this mask maybe twice a week, or it's a good mask anyway. If you have oily skin, it's gonna control the production of sebum, it's gonna clear your pores and help with that. Thank you so much for watching, and until next video, bye.